ProFlex S1 is a high-quality, flexible adhesive designed for bonding ceramic and stone tiles in exterior and interior conditions, as well as for laying tiles on underfloor heating. The quality is confirmed by the Quality Austria seal and C2TES1 classification. Before starting, appropriate tools must be prepared. The first step in applying ProFlex S1 is to prepare the substrate. Quartzgrund or Grundierkonzentrat are the best primer choices before applying the material. Apply with a roller or brush to a clean and dry surface. Why are Quartzgrund and Grundierkonzentrat essential steps? Evens out and strengthens the substrate, creates a strong bond between old and new materials, reduces consumption of finishing materials, and extends open working time. After the primer has dried, apply the ProFlex S1 adhesive. The first step is mixing the material. Add a 125 kilogram bag of ProFlex S1 to approximately 6.7 liters of water and mix with an electric mixer until a homogeneous mass is achieved. Let the material rest for 5 minutes, then mix again. The material is now ready for use. The second step is applying the adhesive to the substrate. When bonding large format tiles over 0.25 square meters and on load-bearing surfaces, it is necessary to apply a contact layer of adhesive to the back of the tile in the opposite direction of the adhesive layer on the substrate. This application method ensures strong adhesion and secure bonding even on the most demanding surfaces. When applying ProFlex S1 adhesive, its superior quality is noticeable from the first stroke. It provides high strength, the perfect choice for high-traffic surfaces subjected to daily loads. It is resistant to moisture and temperature fluctuations, ensuring stability even in the most demanding conditions. It increases the overall durability and resistance of the floor, and thanks to the extended open working time, provides additional flexibility during installation. Thanks to its flexibility, the adhesive is ideal for use on underfloor heating and high-traffic areas such as hallways, terraces, and commercial spaces. When installing tiles on vertical walls, the adhesive's formula prevents tiles from slipping during installation. The final step after using ProFlex S1 adhesive is grouting the tiles, for which we recommend our product, Kerafug C. It is easy to apply, highly resistant to wear, and has excellent water repellency, ideal for underfloor heating surfaces, and provide extended protection against algae and mold formation.